Alright, so the very first thing I am doing is I'm establishing the outline. You can see I'm combing the hair straight down. I'm holding the hair in my comb and establishing that new length. Now, once I've completed cutting the length, we will then go through and do some layers to create some more fullness, some more body, some more volume, so the hair looks nice and full and thick. So, I'm going to wrap up cutting the outline and then we will dive into the layering. So now that the outline is complete, it is time to do the layering. You can see I've got a center section in the middle of the back. I'm combing the hair straight back and right there, boom, taking off that corner to create the layering that we're going to cut into the rest of the haircut, which is going to give us more body and make the hair look fuller and thicker because it's going to have a lot more volume back there. I'm now taking a section to the left of that. I'm combing that section back to that previous section right there, boom, and I'm using that previous section as the guide to know how short to cut the current section. I'm going to continue to take sections on the left side until we've got all of the hair on the left side layered, and then I'll do the exact same thing on the right side. Alright, so now I'm taking some layering sections on the right side. You can see I'm combing that hair straight back right there, combing it over, directing I should say, to the previous section, and boom, cutting in those layers. I'm going to continue working my way to the right, another section to the right, combing that back to the previous section, and I'm going to carry on all the way till I get to the front. Then we'll go ahead and blow dry the hair and wrap it all up. So now that the hair is all dry, it is time to cut the fringe, as you can see, or the bangs. It depends on where you are. I trained in London, but I was born in America, so it's kind of interesting because I called them bangs all my life, but then as I started to learn how to be a hairstylist, I got trained and learned in London, so I learned how to call them fringes. Anyways, it's beside the point. You can see those layers, how full and thick it makes the back look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And if you liked this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.